Unleash your inner DJ and craft a captivating progressive house anthem, all from the palm of your hand. Today, we're diving deep into FL Studio Mobile to build a progressive house track from the ground up. First, let's select our core sounds. We need a solid kick drum, something punchy and full for the bass. A warm, sub-heavy sine wave or a slightly filtered saw wave will give us that driving foundation. Next, find a melodic synth. A bright, evolving pad or a classic supersaw will be perfect for those signature progressive leads and atmospheric layers. Let's start with the beat. Lay down a classic 4/4 kick pattern, then add a clap on the off beats for that essential groove. Now, let's bring in our bass line. Create a simple, repeating pattern with long notes, focusing on movement and a sense of progression. Think subtle octave jumps or rhythmic variations. It's time to build our melodic elements in a new pattern. Program a simple, arpeggiated synth line. Keep it relatively sparse to allow room for other elements to breathe. Now, duplicate this melodic pattern across your arrangement, creating sections. We'll start building intensity by introducing our atmospheric pad. Place sustained chords in the background, letting them evolve and wash over the listener. Arrangement is key in progressive house. Think about building energy gradually. Start with your rhythmic foundation and bass, then introduce melodic elements, and build to a climax with layered synths and risers. We can create transitions by using filter sweeps on our synths or introducing subtle white noise. Now for the groove and polish. Head to the mixer. Ensure your kick drum has its own space. A little low and cut on other elements can help it punch through. Apply a touch of reverb to your pads and melodic synths to create depth and atmosphere, but don't overdo it, or your track will sound muddy. A bit of delay on the arpeggiated synth can add a nice rhythmic shimmer. Finally, mastering for that club-ready sound. Use a limiter to catch any stray peaks and bring up the overall loudness. Apply a gentle EQ to tame any harsh frequencies. Listen on different devices if possible to ensure your track translates well. And there you have it. Your very own progressive house track created entirely within FL Studio Mobile.